Bunny dreams up the places they usually go and thinks of the bathrooms they don't yet know. Where do you think Bunny might go next? Bunny loves shopping and finding new toys. But what are the loos like for girls and for boys? Here's a button you don't need to touch. Just wave Bunny's hand to make it flush. Wow! You did it, Bunny! Way to go! You flushed that toilet. What a pro! This clever button, oh so smart. Bunny waves their hand, it does its part. Bunny moves their hands and off we go. The water will begin to flow. Wow! Bunny did it! Look at them go! Bunny made that water flow and flow. To use this dryer, Bunny needs to slide their hands in from either side. Bunny pulls their hands out very slow, so you can feel the dryer blow. Hooray for Bunny! They've come so far. Bunny has hands dry like a star.